To request a ride using the Boat app, first ensure you have access to the platform by downloading and installing it from your App Store. Once installed, you'll be guided through the required registration process. Upon accessing the home page, you'll see a display of your geographical location, including major landmarks in your map. The app's main feature allows you to place an order, which is a straightforward process. To start, click on the Where to option, and your current destination will be displayed due to the integration with Google Maps. Select your location, and you'll be presented with various options, including the fastest, cheapest, and most comfortable routes, as well as motorbike options, each with its corresponding price range. Choose your preferred option, and you can then begin communicating with the driver. The process is simple, and with these steps, you'll be able to navigate the app with ease.